Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaden, aka Baby J, for those who are new here, and if you ain't new, you already know the deal. I'm back with another video. Today I will be beginning my new series, which is my business series, where I talk about starting a new business because I started a new business. But I will be speaking about how I started my own business, the things I needed to do, the things I failed at, the things I succeeded at, and just basically taking you guys along with me on my journey. So I'm really excited about that. If you're interested in the business that I am doing, I actually sell nose jewelry and accessories. As of right now, the only thing that I have on my website are my nose gems, which I sell on my site. If you like my nose jewelry, go check out my site, and I will be having cuffs on my website soon as well. So if you're interested in that, please check out my link in my description. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and all of that. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Today we will be talking about the Rollo Printer. I was really doing my research on which one I should get, if I should get the Rollo Printer or the DYMO printer, and I ended up going with the Rollo Printer just because I don't want to be frustrated with the jams that I know the DYMO comes with because of its build, the way it's built. I'm not saying the Rollo Printer is better than the DYMO. I wouldn't know because I never had a DYMO before, but it seemed as if less people were having jams with their printers with the Rollo than they were the DYMO, just because of the way that it's built. The DYMO printer is built in a circular kind of way, so it kind of goes around and out like that. With the Rollo, it's kind of just up and down and it comes straight through. So that's kind of why I chose to go with the Rollo. It's also more affordable than the DYMO printer is. I think I paid around like 170 something, and I know though the DYMO starts at around 200. Ultimately, I did end up paying $200 because I ended up buying 500 labels with this. So ultimately, it did come out to around like $200, but the DYMO starts at like 2 something. So you don't have to specifically buy Rollo labels for the Rollo printer. I will be, just so I don't have any problems. Like, I just don't need those problems. And so I will be buying Rollo labels when I use this Rollo printer. But I know that you can use other labels with this printer. So that's another reason why I went with it as well. So those are the reasons I ended up choosing this. I know a lot of people complain about the DYMO, but I also know a lot of people who love the DYMO. So if you're interested in the DYMO, I would say get the DYMO. I am not saying that the Rollo is better than DYMO because I wouldn't know. So first of all, Rollo, I need to speak to y'all. Why did y'all send me this in this box? Like, I felt like it should have been in a box inside a box because I paid too much money for this to just come like this. I don't know how it's packaged, but everybody know what I ordered, and I don't like that. I don't know why, but I don't like that. Y'all could have wrapped it or something. Like, it came straight like this. Like, I went out on my porch and just seen this Rollo printer sitting there, like not in no box or nothing, and I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, let's open it. This is the inside. I'm giving y'all a little unboxing. Wait, I need a thumbnail. Okay. It says better way to print right there. It comes with cards, save up to 90% on your shipping. That's cool. They just give you tips. They give you an alcohol swab, like a pad to disinfect, and then the instruction guide. What's this? So this is the cord. Let's take it out. Cords, we got the cord. All right, here comes the Rollo. There's another cord in here. Oh, I think this is how you connect it to your computer. Boom. Wow, so this is it. Oh, it's nice. Okay, so I'm scared. I feel like I should read some directions somewhere. So give me a minute and then I'm gonna come back. I don't wanna just start doing stuff because I have no clue what I'm doing. So yeah, I'll be back. So I'm watching a guide on how to set up my Rollo. You can find this tutorial at like www.rollo.com/setup or something like that. I think that's the website. I'll leave it down in the description box below if you are basically watching this with me to set up your Rollo. It's pretty cool because the Rollo comes with some labels. Right now I'm hooking up my Rollo. I put in the cords and stuff like that. Is turned off, so don't worry about that. And yeah, I'm about to set it up, turn it on. So to set it up, I went to rollo.com and they have all these informational videos. I want to install the driver, and I did download on Mac. They also have download on Windows over here, but I did download on Mac, and they have the informational video that I just watched right here. When I clicked on to download the driver for Mac, it downloaded to my computer. As you can see, it's right there. And then yeah, that prompted me to pull up this and then you click on this box. It'll install the software you need to run it. And this is also like the Mac installation guide, but the guy in the video explains all of it step by step. So you have this, and then you also have that guide, and then it'll have this sample label for you to print. So when you are printing your shipping label, you want to make sure that it is in the 4x6 format so that you can print it correctly. So that's just what I'm doing in this clip. I'm making sure it's in the 4x6 format. Oh, I missed it coming out. Wow, I printed. It came out so fast. This label, which is also this label, it printed nice and dark. There are no problems really. I didn't have any problems setting this up. It came with some labels, so that's pretty cool. It came with the informational guide. The labels came with information. So yeah, this Rollo printer is looking great. I'm really excited to use it. Setting up the Rollo printer, really not that hard. So the guy in the video did state that it's better for you to print on Chrome than it is for you to print on Safari. So I'm gonna download this on my Chrome extension. But yeah, that's all I have for the Rollo printer. I'm really excited to use it. It worked really well. I haven't had any problems with it yet. If I do have any problems about it, I will make a video on it because, like I said, this is my business series and I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited to do this. So yeah, I'm really gonna be out here doing my business series and taking you guys along with me on my business journey and my business growth. And I'm gonna let you guys know anything that I've learned along the way, because we're here to pass on information, and I think that's very important for us to do as people, as human beings. I don't want to just succeed, I want y'all to succeed too. I'm here to help. I'm really excited. I think that the Rollo printer is a very good investment. If you can afford it, I would say do it. There's nothing wrong with using your printer and pasting your label to your packages, but the only difference is that the Rollo printer is a thermal printer, so it doesn't use ink, which means it's water resistant. So if your package were to get wet and you use a regular printer, the words could possibly get, the ink could run, or you could have problems with shipping. It'll probably get sent back to the facility for you to come back and fix everything. So yeah, I think that the thermal printer and thermal printing is better, especially for shipping labels. So that's specifically what I bought it for. I'm really excited to use it. And yes, that's really all I have to say about it. I'm gonna update you guys on my business journey, but I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this was very helpful for you guys. It's really easy to use. I'm going to leave a link down to where you can buy this Rollo printer if that's what you want to do. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving my review on Rollo myself. This was basically an unpacking video, and I think the next thing that I'll end up doing when I get a little bit more orders is showing you guys how I pack and ship my labels. I know that's a very interesting video to many people, including myself. I have watched many videos of people doing that. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.